I'm getting a massage tomorrow. I haven't been adjusting in a while either.
Do you do pregnant people at all?
Yeah, actually I have 2 right now. The only thing is I don't have a pregnancy pillow.
Did that just go?
Yeah.
Oh, you are really flexed right here.
Really flexed?
Yeah. Like it's... You can't feel that?
Yeah, I was gonna say I can really feel that actually. I was just like trying to picture flex in my head.
Flex backwards.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh god. Sacrum's broken.
Alright. Let's get you... Oh, wait, no, hold on. Okay, on this side.
Nice.
That already went.
Yeah.
We'll do a little bit more.
Oh, hilarious. Oh my god. Yeah, that needs to go. What was I gonna ask you? I can't remember. Oh, what trimester was she in?
Third.
Third, okay.
She's
Wow.
31 weeks pregnant.
Okay. Because I was talking to someone about this the other day that I get nervous seeing females in the first trimester.
Yeah.
Like I interned with a chiropractor who wouldn't even adjust females in their first trimester.
Why is that?
Because that's when they lose the baby. Like that's when they'll often have miscarriages.
Yeah.
First trimester. And so if anything happens, they're gonna blame it on you, you know?
Sure.
Yeah. So it does kinda freak me out a little bit.
Wonder how you
Which is so stupid. It's
wonder how you have that talk though.
yeah. I know. I'll still see people, I'll just dang, do the bare minimum. Yeah. Because the girl I actually had yesterday, it was her first. She's in her first trimester. Dang, my hips are tight. Ouchie.
Yeah, that's a good point though.
Yeah. It just freaks me out. Because people would do that.
I mean, you just try and draw connections, right?
Yeah.
Huh.
Wow. Dang. So good.
Squeeze.
Oh. Fuck.
Put that in the blooper reel. Just instant crotch grab.
God, it's like a whole vagina splits in half. Jeez. Nice. Wow. Holy moly. God dang. There we go.
Give me a little tug here. Can you put your legs down?
Nice. People do know
1, 2, 3.
Stop. Maybe that one was gonna go.
Let that one just hang down. Put a bee in your neck.
I never do this one.
Just let it relax. There we go.
I was just gonna say, did you ever get a cavitation on that? But yeah, I did.
Maybe it was my rib.
I don't know, I think it was mine.
Was you? Okay.
Yeah, that felt good.
Bye.